This is the Yitahome L desk, and it's been my desk for the past couple of weeks, and I'm absolutely in love with it. It's one of my favorite desks, and I'll share with you all the cool features. I picked this up on Amazon. I'll have a link for it down below in the description. But yeah, this desk is pretty good. It gets mailed to you in 2 separate boxes, and you assemble it all yourself. It comes with some included tools. This is new for me. I've always been used to just having a regular, just straight desk, but this desk is an L. So basically there's a section over here that we can work on, and then there's also a larger section on this side that I can also work on. A great thing about this desk is it can be detached from itself, so you could have this section of the desk as a separate piece and this piece separate as well. I currently have them connected with the little bracket, and so far it's just been working great. There's also a really cool section underneath both of the desks, and underneath there you can keep some supplies, whether it be camera gear, other computer parts, cables, chargers, other electronic devices, or safes. I really like that, and I also really like the height of the desk. I also have a chair from them, but so far it's just been very comfortable to work every day. I really like that the L desk just gives me so much more room to work, because I'll be able to work on my computer here, but if I need to work with some paper documents or doing any writing, I can do it on this section of the desk, and it works out very well. The assembly wasn't too difficult. However, I'd recommend if you were doing it to have someone help you, because it can be a little challenging if you're by yourself. It comes with all the tools and the accessories to be able to build this. There's quite a few screws and bolts, but they give you a lot of extra ones in case you lose one or drop one. I would really recommend not using any electric tools because they might be able to strip the screws. So just take your time and use the tools that they gave you, and that way you'll prevent any damage possibly happening to the desk. So the actual face of the desk is pretty solid, like you can hear the wood, and then the rest is just metal framing. And the metal framing is really sturdy. It doesn't wiggle at all when I move it. The chairs and the legs are very solid. They also came with some adjuster knobs, so you're able to level out the desk in case your office or your workspace is a little bit uneven. I really like that. Another really cool feature with the desk is the fact that this can pivot upward and it locks into place, and this is where you can write or if you have notes. And I also saw some people that are playing music or having an instrument, they can put music up here and be able to use that as a stand. I really like that feature. I haven't been using it too much, but I like the fact that it's there because I'll be able to use it if I need to write. And then it just slides back in and you don't need to worry about it. I do also really like the size of the desk, and we're gonna measure it right now with a tape measure to make sure we get the exact dimensions, because sometimes they might be a little different once you actually set it up. Alright, so the first dimension we're gonna get is the side of the desk to the other end. This is the longest section of the desk, and it comes in at exactly 67 inches. The working section of the desk, this is the width. It's coming in at about 23.75 inches. The space underneath the desk is coming in at about 29 inches, and the space above the deck is about 29.5 inches. Now this is the width of the other section, and that is 59 inches. I'll be including some photos of this desk. So far, again, I really like it. It's a very solid desk, and I haven't noticed any issues with it while I've been working on it. I'll be having an updated version about this desk in about a month, showing off some of the other features with it, and here's some cinematic footage of it. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Link down below. Bye.